Well, beautiful, precious ones, I got the church. Lo and behold, might as well take my handicap sticker down. I don't see a park. Oh, I don't see a park any place. And it's raining, and I don't have an umbrella. Well, I guess I should have checked the forecast. This is a great church too. They have service every Saturday. Look at that. People leaving, can't find no park. Wow. Well, I tried. I tried. You put this thing right here. I tried. Thank God the Lord. Thank God the Lord knows your heart, you know. And another good thing is, I'm glad that I can feed myself. But I sure did want to come today. I surely did. Going down cats and dogs. I could run into Walmart, but I still don't have an umbrella. Well, beautiful, precious ones, I guess I'll just go home and get to work. Oh my goodness, I go home and get to work, listen to some teaching. Those cars going in. I don't know what they're gonna do, because there's no place to park. Should have went the other way. I don't know about this way right here. And you know, the skies was clear when I left home. No rain, no place. I say on my side of town, evidently we've gotten enough rain, because I had to go to the post office again yesterday, and it was pouring down raining when I got on the other side of town, but not on my side. And then on the way back, still raining on that side of town, but not my side of town. Let me get off of here. God bless you. Jesus loves you, and so do I. The next time, bye-bye.